my wife that I married within 3 months of us dating, and now we have been married for 10 years. Unglisile. A very warm welcome to Ulwazi Nezindaba. Please don't forget to comment and like. And if it's your first time tuning in, kindly do subscribe. So I know this is a typical story. So mfatu dlisindoda aseyitholile warawara and stuff like that. Kodwa in this case, Budi uthi ngiyayibona lento futhi nginebufakazi bokuthi this person ungidlisile ngoba phela ngihambile ngaphuma ngathola ukuthi cha akuhambi kahle vele ngidlisiwe. Kodwa guess what, I am fully okay with it. Angifuni mina ukuhlanda, angifuni mina ukuthi khiphe isidliso lakimi, because I am happily married with this person for 10 years. Sinebantwana konke ku right. Hayi but uyavela manje uyasho ukuthi however ngiconcerned ukuthi lesidliso lesi sito ngendani mina along the lines, like sito yendani la emtimbeni wami. Guys, for me personally, this is my very first time ukuthi umuntu abe sure abe with enough evidence kokuthi vele udlisiwe, ngoba bhuti uyachaza ukuthi phela ngasithola futhi nalesidliso ngaphasi, ngabona into la ngifaka la donate lane, kodwa still enhlitweni yami ngimthanza kufa nokuphila, and I am not willing ukuthi ngihambe ngosihlanda. Uyakhala bhuti ukuthi however guys, ncedzeni phela ngidawugula nama ngiloku ngichubeka ngidla without having to do anything. Guys, sicela nimncedzeni some belief.
Uthi he has been married nomfazi wakhe for 10 years. Mabazodibana nomfazi wakhe, he used to be a womanizer. Bekabathanda abafazi, bekazwana nesketi, asikho isketi besindlula. Don't mind my lip man, bengilume kaso. Angazi why manje say snacks, but get back to the story. Athi beka womanizer yena nje asikho isketi besindlula up until he met his wife. Athi bajola for 2 months nomfazi wakhe. Ngenyanga yes3 he decided ukuthi yazi ukuthini, ngithumela amandwendwe kini. Baya bomalume bafika bazishaya ziphelele inkomo, azange uze kusale ngisho nenyoni. Athi sabana abantwana kwaba mnandi, kusoloku kumnandi man, mara all the time mangembheka lo mfazi yazi khona lothando oluvukayo la kimi man, ngizizwa ngimthanda more and more every day. Athi ngithi ngiyadla ngelinye ilanga ngithole izinto ngathi yinwele kaso, yabo izinto ezimnyama ngathi yinwele. Athi ngithi mangithi ngiyadonsa ngicabanga ukuthi yinwele, lo mfazi angishaya isandla athi hayi igarnish lena, idla akusiyinwele igarnish, ngihlobisile lana, hey it's giving sea moss, it's giving what angazi. Athi ngidleke nami ngoba umfazi wami vele wamina uyarecommenda, uyophekile, uyezaziyo lezi zinto lezi. Vele lo mfazi uthanda ukubukela boma cooking channel, boma Iron Chef, boma ini, so uzazi zonke manje into zamaganishi uziqala ngayo lo mfazi. Athi ende kusasa ngizovuka ngifila even more in love ukudlula izolo na last week na last year. So manje indaba eqala ekuthenini 2 months back uthe maka decide ukuncedisa umfazi wakhe ukuspring cleaner, wathi vumbu phansi kombhede amabhodlela ayi3, eli1 linamafutha ared, ls2 linamafutha ared ahlangane nalawa amnyama, nazo lezi zinto lezi engazathi yinwele lezi bekazithola lela langa leliyayo, yakhumbula lesikhathadla. Leli ls3 linesithombe sabo together bese liboshwe ngewuli. Lapha phakathi kuneletha ebhaliwe, uthi ngisaba nokuyivula le letha ngoba ngithema ngizibona lezi zinto ngashaywa uvalo. Adecide ke ukuthi aye kubo, afika yotshala abantu bakubo ukuthi hey naku manje ngithema ngithi ngiyaklina laphayana bese kwenzakala ukuthi ngithola izinto eziso. Luckily he still has a mother. Umama wakhe athi asambe siye komunye umakhosi ndawo thizeni asihlolele ukuthi yini lezi zinto lezi. Athi umakhosi hey yo, hayi lana ngibona idliso shaya siyavuma, lana ngibona intando shaya siyavuma, la ngibona ukuthi wena bhuti ukhenikiwe, usetshenziwe wena, so umele nje sikuthathe sokugabhisa le emfuleni uliphume lonke ledliso because lo mfazi lo ukudlisile and manje ke inkulu lento akwenze yona. athi ubhuti ngivele ngithathe iy'cathulo zami same time ngiphume ngigijime ngibuyele endlini. Makabuyela endlini athi ngithe ukumbheka nje lo mfazi ngivele nje yazi ngiphelelwa amandla vele nje ngithi sithandwa sami uyazi ukuthi ngikuthanda kanjani. Isithandwa sithi ngiyakholwa ukuthi uyangithanda sithandwa sami, I'm sure ulambile, ubukeka ujuluke yini, ubuyaphi, ugijimiswa ubani? Athi hhayi khohlwa nje yizo zonke lezo zinto lezo, ngizokutshela ukuthi ngibuyaphi, ngicela ukuthi ungenzele ukudla. Sithandwa senza ukudla, hhayi kusho ukuthi usisi afake more lapho. Angihleki isenzo sakasisi ne, angihleki ngoba ngithi yinto e-right ayenzayo, but also ngizochaza ukuthi why ngihleka. Athi-ke usisi kusho ukuthi aphinde afake more, makafaka more adle ubhuti. Athi ngithi mangiqeda ukudla ngizikhiphe zonke kaso ukuthi umamami ungithathile wangimikisa komunye umakhosi. Umakhosi athi wena ungidlisile, ungifake intando, bafuna ukungithatha bangimikise emfuleni and mina angifuni, mina ngiyakuthanda. Athi-ke umfazi-ke hhayi-ke mina ngeke ngize ngiyenze le nto leyo, lo thando lolu thando lu-natural, angeke ngize ngiyenze le nto leyo. Angiboni nje nokuthi nje futhi ngazibona ngivuke ngiphethe umuthi, mina nomuthi nje asizwani, mina ngiyathandaza nawe uyazi, ngiyakhuleka ngidlali nje futhi uNkulunkulu ngine-direct landline to him. Ubhuti avume. So manje ubhuti usibhalela because I think in his heart of hearts leya nhliziyo leyana idliso elingakathinti khona, he knows ukuthi udlisiwe, you know, subconsciously he knows. But now he doesn't want to break the spell because uthi indlela asekamthanda ngayo lo mfazi, he feels sengathi makangahamba ayoyikhipha lento abamfake yona angeke asamthanda the way abekamthanda ngakhona. And now he's also thinking for the children. He's thinking about the family that he's already created, nalo mama, if the home that he's already built. Ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi mhlambe bawasusa la makhethenisi abamfake wona angeke kusafana, you know. So he wants to know the consequences from you, Chomi, from you, ukuthi if he leaves this thing la ngaphakathi kuye, are there any damages are there any damages that are gonna happen to him, or does he need help as soon as possible? Because yena ngesingaye he's considering on just letting idliso just be emzimbeni wakhe as long as anyeka gule, anyeka ashona bulawe yilo, ucabanga ukuthi aliyekele azithandele umfazi wakhe, azithandele abantwana bakhe until uNkulunkulu ambiza one day.